How do you know InVigor hybrid canola from BASF has you covered? It seems there are countless reasons, the first of which is breeding excellence. Processes at the BASF Canola Breeding Center in Saskatoon are unlike any other in the industry, and that's just the beginning of the InVigor difference. Here to explain is Stuart Brandt and Jeff Manseer.
What sets InVigor apart? I think from the product side, it's the yield and agronomic package. The ability to deliver the highest yield potential, and then the yield stability over multiple environments and conditions over many years. And our yield protection comes from the durable disease tolerance we breed into our varieties, our hybrid vigor, and our patented pod shatter reduction technology. From the development side, it comes down to our dedicated long-term staff, which is in breeding, seed supply, support functions. It consists of multiple agronomists, pathologists, breeders, greenhouse and lab staff, and support functions in other parts of our business. They're leaders in their disciplines, and they're focused to deliver solutions to our growers and the canola and ag industry. We have our own proprietary germplasm, which I think helps us differentiate our product offering, and it's been developed and improved systematically over the past 25 years. And we have our own proprietary hybridization system, which is incredibly stable, and it allows us to efficiently utilize our germplasm to produce efficient, consistent, and high hybridity, high quality seed for our growers. Our simplified and focused breeding strategy is designed to develop solutions for the challenges our customers face or will face in the future. We strive to continuously bring innovative solutions to our growers to assist them with their overall farm business.
In the development of traits and hybrids, the important part is, of course, meeting the grower's needs. With the development of hybrids, we're in the realm of 7 to 10 years, from development to registration. It starts with inbred improvement, a cross that happens in the greenhouse. We move from that point in time to double haploid creations, move to the field environment for evaluations and selections, then create the general combining ability cross that we evaluate at the hybrid stage. From that, we will select the individuals that move into specific combining ability, where we do multi-crosses to find its best combination. Once we have that, we move into the registration process and, of course, the breeder seed increase. In the case of traits, it really is dependent on the complexity of that trait and what platform we are using to incorporate the trait. Usually it starts again with understanding the challenges or the issues at hand. Once we identify the issue, then of course it's moving on to what we can use as a solution. So if we talk in the GM trait platform, obviously there's decades from the concept to elite event selection to commercialization. In the case of native traits, it can be from years to decades, really depending on what we're working with or where the source is coming from. It also can be a blend. So in the case of using multiple approaches, using, for example, genetic modification in the research aspect, and then really focusing and using genetic engineering or mutagenesis in the commercial environment. This would be similar to what we did with our pod shatter. In a given year, we start with 4,000 to 5,000 research hybrids. From that, we select down really to less than 1% that go on to be an InVigor hybrid.
The tools available to breeders in their toolbox have changed a lot over the last 25 years, moving from things like crossing blocks and back crossing, phenotyping and double haploids, to more molecular assisted tools like molecular assisted selection, molecular assisted back crossing, better usage of the genotyping data, doing genomic selection, creating prediction models, precision digital phenotyping, automation, envirotyping, and even gene editing, to name a few. This has required that the makeup of the team to change, from a time when breeders were really in charge of the entire program to involving a lot of other experts who have different skills to help develop, select, and register new innovative hybrid seed products. How canola is grown by our customers has changed. Rotations, management, fertilizer usage due to traits like yield enhancement, herbicide tolerance, pod shatter reduction, new disease tolerances, and specialty oils. What's next? Tolerance to abiotic stresses, like heat, drought, and water. Tolerance to new and evolving pathogens, insect resistance, resistance to new herbicides to help manage hard-to-control weeds, improved fertilizer use, and more efficient trait stacking generally.
As BASF continues to bring innovation to your farm, there'll be even more factors that help set InVigor apart from the rest, now and into the future. And they're all designed to make a difference where it counts most. BASF, we create chemistry.